Hi and welcome to Mix Easy Eats. In this video we'll be making this beef and bok choy stir fry. Let's get into it. Now here I've got 500 grams of beef strips. You can use steak or whatever. I just bought it this way, I was kind of lazy. Anyway, we'll start making the marinade. So you want to start by adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. That'll just make it tender. About a tablespoon of olive oil. A tablespoon of oyster sauce. And a tablespoon of soy sauce. Then about a cup of water. Give that a good mix. Now we'll just set that aside until we need to cook it. Now here we've got our bok choy. And you want to cut the bottom off at first. And then give it a good wash because you get a lot of dirt stuck down in here. You can just rip them off if you want to, but it's not very tidy. So take the end off. Then you can pull it apart and you see all the dirt and stuff inside and bugs and whatever else. Now I've washed the bok choy, so that's all done. Only a little bits of dirt and stuff are gone. But I decided I had this other smaller one here, so I'll use that as well. So same thing. Separate it all and then give it a good wash. So that's our second one, all trimmed and washed. Now we just got to take the stems off, or the leaves off, whichever way you want to look at it. And I like to leave them pretty chunky like that. That one's a little bit too big. But yeah, just nice bite-sized pieces. I don't tend to worry about the leaves being on there. It's all good, we're going to be eating the leaves anyway. Now just keep the leaves separate and they go in last. Now we just want to finely chop 4 cloves of garlic. And I reckon that's close enough. Now we can cut up an onion. I'll use the whole onion. I quite like onions. Okay, that's good enough for us. And now we can get frying. Now in the hot wok or fry pan, add some oil. And first up we'll put the garlic and onion in. Now once that's been frying a bit, we can get the meat in there. I'll turn it up a little bit first, so high heat. Just get it all mixed in there nicely. So once that's been frying around for a bit, add a bit of soy sauce. About a tablespoon. Then we can add our bok choy. Add in around half a cup of water. And that'll just help soften the bok choy stems. You want them a little bit crunchy, but not rock hard. Now that's all nicely done, so we can add the bok choy now. But I'll turn the temperature off. Add the leaves, the bok choy leaves. That's the go. And just get them in there and stir them around. And that is it. We're ready to go on a plate. And add a few sesame seeds on top. And we're done. So that's my beef and bok choy stir fry. Hope you enjoyed it. If you got something out of it, leave a like, that'd be great. And subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching.